Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solutions of two mathematics questions that were asked in recently held JEE Advanced 2025 Paper 2 exam. Now this is the first question of this video. This question is based on the topic of differential equations. It says, let y of x be the solution of the differential equation x square into dy by dx plus xy equal to x square plus y square, comma x greater than 1 upon e, comma satisfying y of 1 equal to 0, then the value of 2 into y of e whole square whole divided by y of e square is. Now students, when we look at this differential equation, we notice that it is a differential equation of homogeneous type. So now when I divide the entire differential equation by x square, then I get dy by dx equal to 1 plus y upon x whole square minus y upon x. Now students, we will put y upon x equal to v. So that means y is equal to vx. So from here I can write dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now in this differential equation, we will replace dy by dx by v plus x into dv by dx. And on the right hand side of this equation, we will have 1 plus v square minus v. So from here I get dv by dx equal to v minus 1 whole square whole divided upon x. Now students, it's clearly a differential equation of variable separable form. Now we will solve this differential equation and get the function y of x. Now students, this differential equation can be written as dv upon v minus 1 whole square equal to dx upon x. And now when we integrate both sides of this differential equation, we get minus 1 upon v minus 1 equal to ln x plus c. Now just replace v by y upon x. So now it becomes minus x divided upon y minus x equal to ln x plus c. Or I can write x upon x minus y equal to ln x plus c. Now students, we have been given that y at x equal to 1 is equal to 0. So just put x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So from here we get 1 upon 1 minus 0 equal to ln 1 plus c. Now we know that ln 1 is 0. So that means the value of c is 1. Now it becomes x upon x minus y equal to ln x plus 1. Right? Now students, it can further be written as x upon x minus y minus 1 equal to ln x, or it becomes y upon x minus y equal to ln x. Now we will get the value of y in terms of x. Now students, we can further write this as y equal to x into ln x minus y into ln x, or this implies y into inside the bracket 1 plus ln x is equal to x into ln x. And from here we get y equal to x into ln x whole divided upon 1 plus ln x. Now y at x equal to e becomes e into ln e whole divided upon 1 plus ln e. and we know that ln e is 1. So this becomes e upon 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this is e upon 2. Now students, y at x equal to e square becomes equal to e square into ln of e square divided upon 1 plus ln of e square. Now ln of e square is 2. So this becomes 2 into e square in the numerator, and in the denominator it becomes 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now students, we have to find the value of 2 into y of e whole square whole divided upon y of e square. So this becomes equal to 2 into y of e square becomes e square divided by 4 whole divided upon y of e square is 2e square by 3. Now e square gets cancelled, and finally we get 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 2, and this is 3 upon 4, and in decimal form it becomes 0.75. So 0.75 is the correct answer of this question. Now students, we move towards the next question. Now students, this is the next question. This question is based on the topic of binomial theorem. It says let a0, a1, a2 and so on till a23 be real numbers such that 1 plus 2x upon 5 whole power 23 equal to summation ai into x to the power I, where I is varying from 0 to 23 for every real number x. Let AR be the largest among the numbers AJ for j greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 23. Then the value of R is. Now students, in this question, we have been given the binomial expansion of 1 plus 2x upon 5 whole power 23 as a0 plus a1 into x plus a2 into x square and so on till a23 into x to the power 23. And in this expansion, we have to find that value of r for which the coefficient of x to the power r becomes the largest. Now students, to solve this problem, I will use the concept of numerically greatest term. And we know that to find the numerically greatest term, we put mod of tr plus 1 upon tr greater than or equal to 1, where tr plus 1 represents the r plus 1th term of the binomial expansion and tr represents the rth term of the binomial expansion. Now students, this can further be written as mod of 23cr into 2 upon 5 into x whole power r divided upon 23cr minus 1 into 2 upon 5 into x whole power r minus 1 greater than or equal to 1. Now students, this can further be written as 23 minus r plus 1 whole divided by r outside the modulus sign into mod of 2 upon 5 into x greater than or equal to 1. Now students, since we are interested in finding the greatest coefficient of x to the power r, so here in this inequality, we will put the value of x as 1. Now it becomes 24 minus r whole divided by r greater than or equal to 5 upon 2. So this means 48 minus 2r is greater than or equal to 5r. And from here I can write 7r less than or equal to 48. That means r is less than or equal to 6.8 something. Now students, the largest value of r satisfying this inequality is clearly 6. So this means, as per the question, the required value of r becomes 6. This means that the seventh term of this binomial expansion will have the greatest coefficient. Starting from the beginning till the seventh term, the coefficients of the terms will increase, but after the seventh term, the coefficients of the terms will start decreasing. Now students, this is to inform you that I have created two separate playlists of paper 1 and paper 2 for JEE Advanced 2025 math solutions. So you can go to the playlist section of my channel and watch all of these videos. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.